Hallandale Beach is a modest community with classic Florida charm, located in the center of the hectic Miami metropolitan area. Due to its proximity to the Atlantic Ocean, the city has a wealth of coastal attractions, warm, pleasant weather, and a friendly local population. In fact, the city has risen to the top of the list of retirement locations in the area, fueling sustained population growth. It should come as no surprise given the town's abundance of leisure amenities, which include casinos, beaches, and public parks. Additionally, the location offers quick access to many of Miami and Fort Lauderdale's top attractions, which are frequently located less than 30 minutes away. So, whether you're an explorer, thrill seeker, or a nature lover, this wonderful city has plenty to offer you. Hallandale have kilometers of beaches with white sand where you might spend the day. Take a break by renting an umbrella. If you're feeling lucky, two of the best racetracks and casinos in the nation are located in Hallandale Beach. All year long, Mardi Gras Gaming offers thrilling dog races, and from January through April, Gulfstream Park Racing Casino, the venue for the Florida Derby, has top-notch thoroughbred horse racing. The Diplomat Resort and Country Club's first-ranked golf course is another one local proudest achievements. For the needs of both visitors and locals, the Hallandale Beach Area Chamber of Commerce and Welcome Center is available around the clock. Membership directories, resource guides, and a variety of other publications are made available by the Chamber to assist in directing tourists to intriguing and enjoyable destinations across Hallandale Beach and South Florida. The personnel at the Chamber office, which is conveniently located, enjoys to welcome guests to the lovely coastal town. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The Gulfstream Park Racing and Casino, one of the most popular establishments of its sort in the region, is located in Hallandale Beach, which is known to the majority of people. With several cups and competitions hosted at its tracks throughout the years, it is largely recognized as a significant horse racing site in the US. Although this area has been classified as a green space behind the beach, South City Beach Park officially remains a part of Hallandale Beach's coastline. It was only completed in 2015, making it the third park built under the city-wide parks master plan. Because of this, the attraction includes a wide range of contemporary amenities to accommodate the many visitors to the adjacent beach. When you go to Las Olas Boulevard, a well-liked retail district in Fort Lauderdale, you may look at souvenirs, explore the waterfront in the neighborhood, or just relax at one of the busy pubs. Visit Miami Beach's renowned open space, Ocean Drive, to discover the great outdoors. Take a stroll along the area's lovely beaches or explore its famed art scene. Spending a relaxed day at Fort Lauderdale Beach, a well-liked beach in Fort Lauderdale, is the epitome of a vacation. You may explore the area's coastline or just dine at one of its excellent restaurants. Explore the great outdoors with a trip to Ocean Drive, a popular green space in Miami Beach. Stroll along the area's beautiful beaches or experience its acclaimed art scene.